Hey y'all, it's Stephanie from Opening Statement Lifestyle, here to teach you today how to make your own floral crown. So invite some friends over, have a girls' night in, or just do it on your own, but we're excited to teach you this skill. Alright, I'm a little over the top sometimes, and that's just my personality. So I'm gonna make my floral crown a little more dense. I know others that would like it more simple. So do it your own way, but this is how you make it more dense if you'd like. We've got a secondary foliage. This was called mixed greenery, which I'm like, this is a specific plant, but you're not telling me what it is, but we'll just go with it. So just get a secondary foliage and just go through and mount it just like you did your other foliage. It's gonna be a little harder to get it fixated since there's so much other stuff already on there, so be patient. It might not be as easy as it was when you were starting with just the wire. I myself am struggling right now. You might also need to use a little bit more tape just to make sure it's really secure because there's more going on. And this one, it was a pretty long strip, so I just did it in the middle first to help me secure it, and then I can kind of position it after that. And I left this end not mounted so that it'll just be a little bit more loose and free because that'll look good behind our roses that we're about to add in. I'm gonna do another piece of greenery. And this one is a good greenery to add in with the eucalyptus because eucalyptus can be real loosey-goosey, and this one had a bit more structure to it. So it's just kind of a good filler and isn't gonna be as wild on your head. I think if you had two different types of looser leaf, you could get a little crazy. But if that's your personality, again, you do you. Okay, now I'm gonna add in 3 roses. In design, it's good to do things in odd numbers. So I've chosen 3, but if you wanna do 5, that's another option. It just might be a really large floral crown. And something else to note, you see how this one's a little damaged and a little ugly on the outside. You can take a rose and just peel off weepy looking or bruised petals. A little fact for you. Just throw those away. Or even this one, it's just a little green. Don't want that. And your flower will naturally open, but if you are wanting to wear the crown that day and want the roses to be a little larger, you can just massage the base of the rose gently right above the green and then blow on it. The warmth and the carbon dioxide from your breath helps open it up. This is a good trick for floral designs and arrangements as well. Just be really gentle when you're going around the top. Okay, again, they'll open more on their own, so I don't want to do too much. Now, there's 2 options. You can either place these at different parts of the wreath or crown, or you can do a big clump of them right on the side or the front. If you're going to do them throughout, just mount them the same way we've been showing you. But if you want them all in one spot, you'll mount them one at a time, but kind of lay it out first to make sure it's gonna work out. So I'm even gonna go ahead and put it on my head just to figure out where the center is, because you really don't want this right in the center. You kind of want it a little bit more off to the side. I would come in with the second one, and then the third. And it's gonna be a lot of floral tape. And that's how you do it. With the roses, you need a little bit more security, so I do the tip, the end, and then I do the up against the base of the rose as well. And you don't have to go in that order. It's actually probably a good idea to just secure it closer to the base of the rose, because that's kind of in the center, where when you do it on the end, like I'm doing now, do as I say, not as I do, it can be a little loose. And the nice thing about floral tape is it doesn't have to be super tight to the thing that you're securing it to. It can be a wider wrap around it. So even though I'm not putting them just right in the middle, I'm still gonna put them towards the front of the crown and not the back. And when you're done, just go ahead and put it on. Pull the ribbon through and tie it off. And there's your floral crown. I hope you had a lot of fun, learned something new, and like I said, bring some girlfriends in, do this together. It's a great activity to do with a group or do by yourself. Don't forget to check out our blog post about how to repurpose a floral crown, and tag us in a photo if you post it to social media. We'd love to see you wearing your floral crowns or how you repurposed it. Thanks so much.